In one of our installations, we were integrating our technology with the Johnson Controls Metasys building management system. We had to essentially read about 300 data points from the building management system into our system. And our requirement in the installation and commissioning was to make sure that all that information was properly being read by us. And of course, we had the manufacturer specifications in there also. So all of that information is then processed automatically by our intelligent algorithm.
And some of those data points would include thermostat settings in different parts of buildings,
correct, yeah.
all kinds of things.